Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Ford Fusion. First, turn on your vehicle and make sure the infotainment system is fully active. Then, access the sync menu on your display and locate the phone section. From there, select the Add Device or Add a Phone option to start the pairing process smoothly. This prepares your car to find your mobile device, making the next step straightforward. Next, grab your mobile device and open its settings to enable Bluetooth. Your phone will then begin searching for available devices. Look for Sync or Ford Audio in the list. Once found, select it, and a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your car's screen and your phone. Confirm that these numbers match to proceed with the connection. After confirming the PIN, your phone may ask for additional permissions. Be sure to accept any connection prompts on your mobile device. It is also important to allow access to your contacts and messages. This enables full hands-free calling and convenient message integration. Finally, test the audio by playing some music or making a quick phone call, ensuring everything works perfectly. If you experience any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's sync system can often resolve them. For unique situations, always refer to your vehicle's comprehensive owner's manual. It contains specific instructions tailored to your model. If problems persist, consider deleting the device from both the car and your phone, then performing the repairing process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.